To install reinforcement on an inside radius curve, first check your wall plan. Cut the reinforcement to the required lengths. Lay the segments of reinforcement within 1 inch of the face of the wall, making sure that the strength direction of each section is always perpendicular to the wall face. As you proceed along the curve, the back edges of your reinforcement will fan out slightly. Lay the next course of block. Mark the backs of the block to identify the middle of the unreinforced area, backfill and compact. Next, place sections of reinforcement centered on the marked blocks. Following these steps will help ensure full reinforcement coverage. Repeat this procedure throughout the construction of the radius curve when reinforcement is required.